Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this egg from Dollar Tree and some giant craft sticks I got from Walmart. The egg I'm just using for tracing. I take some masking tape, making it so the sticky part is facing up, and then twist it and attach that in the back so it stays in place. I add these giant craft sticks. Again, they're from Walmart, and I'm placing 7 of them down on the egg, trying to get the spacing evenly. Flip it over and trace those out, and then remove those. Line them up just so I have that shape down there, and then to make sure that I have them in the right spot each time, I mark them 1 through 7. I take Fisker shears and cut down the craft sticks on those markings. After I have them cut down, I sand them so they're nice and smooth. And then I'm taking this textured scrapbook paper I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm taking 2 of the craft sticks. I'm taking the 3rd and the 6th one, and I'm tracing them out on the back of the paper, cutting those out, applying Mod Podge to the front of the sticks, and then placing down the paper and drying it with my heat tool. After those are done, I set them aside for now, and I'm taking some 12mm half round beads I got from Amazon and placing them on the 2nd and 5th craft sticks. I use a small paintbrush and apply tacky glue to the back of each of the beads and place them back down. I then set those aside and let that glue set fully. And I paint the 3 remaining pieces with plaster color chalk paint, and that is by Waverly. I go back to the ones with the beads, and those are being painted with moss color chalk paint by Waverly. And once those are dry, I am taking a baby wipe and a very small amount of that plaster chalk paint and kind of distressing those beads a little bit, and taking another part of the baby wipe and just blending that in. The textured paper ones are painted with linen color chalk paint by Folkart. And then once those are dry, I go back in with that baby wipe and add some plaster chalk paint over that texture. I then get those craft sticks lined up and take these bamboo sticks I got from Amazon, and I'm marking where I need to cut them, cutting them again with those Fisker shears and painting them with plaster chalk paint. I then set those into place and then add on the sticks, getting the spacing how I want. And then I'm taking the top and the bottom first, and I'll be lifting those up and placing some hot glue on the bamboo sticks. And then once I have those 2 on, I go ahead and do the ones in the center. Next, I'm making a messy bow. I'm just taking different ribbons and fabrics, cut about 7 inches, and crisscrossing them on my desk. Once I have all of them lined up, I used 4 of each kind. I take another piece of that thin ribbon and wrap it around the center, pull it nice and tight in the back, and then spread all those ribbons and fabrics apart and hot glue that to the top left of the egg. And I had painted these little wooden cubes and piece of wood I got from Dollar Tree with that linen color. I hot glue the cubes to the bottom back of the egg, and then hot glue those to the piece of wood. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.